Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Astro New. This time we talk about when BTS Jungkook love for Oscar-winning Natu Natu proved his Desi at the heart. The infection tune and the hook step of the Ram Charan and the JR&TR Natu Natu from the movie RRR had become an international sensation. The energetic track from the SS Rajmouli film won the Oscar for Best Original Song and the 95 Academy Award, cementing its global popularity. Among these fans was a global superstar John Jungkook from the globally renowned band BTS. His love for the movie and song, which he has grooved to not once, not twice, but 3 times, only made Indian fans more convinced that the group's youngest member is Desi at heart. Back in March 2023, Jungkook sent the internet into a frenzy during a Weverse live session where he was spotted listening to the Natu Natu. Army worldwide were thrilled to see him enjoying the energetic track, even lip-syncing along. The clip soon went viral, catching the attention of the RRR team and the official RRR media and the page shared the moment, writing Jungkook Red Heart on Fire icon. It's really great that you like Natu Natu so much. We send lot of love to Jungkook, the BTS team and the whole of Korea RRR movie. And later in August 2023, Jungkook was asked on Weverse if he had watched the RRR. In the response, he began humming Natu Natu, and some fans claim he had confirmed watching the movie. Then in October 2023, Jungkook once again surprised fans by singing Natu Natu, and before switching to his track 7, the movement sent Indian Army into a meltdown, with fans flooding social media with their excitement. And the Maknae of BTS is currently enlisted in South Korea military service and is expected to discharge in June 2025. His return will see 6 of 7 BTS members completing their service, with rapper Suga being the last to finish his duty by the end of the same month. Despite being in the military service, he kept fans entertained with his songs still charting on various music listening apps. In fact, the global pop icon on the December 18, 2024 went live on Weverse for a surprise for fans and went to break his own record, garnering over 20.2 million real-time viewers, surpassing even the viewership on the Grammy Award. And as for the Natu Natu, the song is from the 2022 Telugu language from the film RRR that won the Academy Award for Best Original Song at the 95 Academy Award. 2023, it became the first Indian song to win the prestigious award. It dreamed over song to be global icon like the Lady Gaga and the Rihanna. Its performance at the ceremony received a standing ovation. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.